What matters are not the days in your term, but what you have done to make each day matter to the people you serve. We hit the ground running, and that is literal, as I have committed to you last inaugural session. Naunang aksyon kaysa inaugurasyon. Gawa bago salita. 100 days ago, we were left not only with the mountains of debt, but also with the mountains of garbage. 100 days ago, I was expecting to inherit a clean city, but what I got instead was a dirty one. Trash-littered city streets, which were full of uncollected garbage. The stain of bad governance also left its mark on city finances, which weigh down by billions of unpaid commercial obligation. Kaya mas minabuti ko munang eskubahin ang Maynila, alisin ang mga libag, kinuskos ang kadugyutan ng ating lungsod na kinaharap. Hindi po yan one-day gimmick, pero whole year program. Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, until it becomes a habit. Eh bakit ba tayo porsigido dyan? Kasi sa paglilinis ay hindi lang daily activity of the city government, but a daily lesson to teach the people by example na maging zero tolerant tayo sa dumi at walang kaayusan. Sa loob ng 2 linggo, pag-upo natin, naibalik agad ang normal na garbage collection sa City of Manila. Bagay na aking ipinagpapasalamat sa kapwa ko kawani ng pamalang lungsod. Palakpakan natin ang mga taga-DPS. We owe it to them. Araw-araw, gabi-gabi. Talagang yung mga bulo-bunduking basura ay talagang isinantabi nila lahat. Hinakot lahat. Dahil ang gusto ko, gumising kayo sa bagong administrasyon na parang walang nangyaring dumi ng nakaraan. Sa engineering, sa MDRRMO, thank you very much sa kanila.